Hi everyone! In today's class, we have a kids yoga class. And in particular, we are going to do a breathing exercise. So our breathing exercise or our breathing class is not just for kids. So if you want to do this together with your child or do this together with your mom and dad or maybe make it a family breathing exercise, go ahead and give it a try. So go ahead, find a comfortable seat. Okay, you can grab your bolster. I have my bolster on my mat. Okay, you can grab pillows, any of maybe your favorite pillows. You can be on your couch, you can be on your chair, any comfortable seat that you like. Okay, now if you are seated on the mat or the floor, you can cross your legs. Okay. And then before we start, okay, maybe go ahead. So you'll go ahead, find your comfortable seat, and then you can move any way you like. Maybe you'll wiggle, maybe you'll even move the hands, you'll move the shoulders. Okay? And then once you find that, okay, let's rest our hands on our knees, let it be soft. Okay? You roll the shoulders a couple of times, up and down. Okay? And then from here, we'll close our eyes. Okay, we'll close our eyes. And then as you close your eyes, can you breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the nose. Okay, one more time, we'll breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the nose. Okay, so observe how that feels for you. And then we are going to blink our eyes open. All right. Okay. Now this time, we're going to put one hand on our tummy or on our belly and then one hand on our heart. Okay. And then before we close our eyes, just breathe. Okay. Maybe you'll just fill the belly. Imagine we are trying to fill up a balloon as you inhale. And slowly breathe out as you exhale. So we'll breathe in and out of our nose. So imagine as you inhale again, we're filling up that balloon, making our belly a little bit bigger, making our chest a little bit bigger, and then we'll just slowly breathe out. Okay. One more time. Imagine filling your balloon, filling that belly, making it as big as you can as you inhale, and then we'll slowly breathe out. Okay. Now you can focus on one point in front of you. Okay, or maybe we'll close our eyes. Okay. And then as soon as you close your eyes, relax through the shoulders. Okay. And then imagine you have that balloon to fill in your belly. Okay. And then we'll slowly breathe in. Fill that balloon up towards the chest. And then we'll slowly deflate that balloon. Okay, 2 more times. We'll inflate the balloon again, breathing in. Maybe make the balloon a little bit bigger, and then we'll deflate that balloon as we breathe out. One more time, we'll inhale, making the balloon bigger, the belly bigger, chest bigger, and then we'll breathe out. Emptying out the breath. Okay. And then this time, we'll blink our eyes open. All right, now go ahead, shake your hands, maybe move the shoulders. And then this time we'll change the crossing of the legs, okay? So see how that felt for you doing that breathing exercise. Now, if that felt comfortable for you, you can do that as many times as needed, okay? Now, if you're feeling a little bit stressed, or maybe if there's too many projects, or if there's a lot of work to do, or maybe there are things that are bothering you, so know that you can do this breathing exercise to maybe help you calm down, help you relax a bit, or maybe help clear your mind. Okay, so we'll try that again. And then this time, we're going to bring our hands on our knees. All right. Now, if it was more helpful for you to imagine that balloon and then bring your hands to your belly and to your heart, go ahead, do that again. Or maybe maybe just hands on the knees. Okay, we'll relax the shoulders. Okay. And then you can, again, maybe explore, do this with eyes closed. All right. But if you find that that's too much with eyes closed, maybe you'll just keep your eyes open, and then you can focus, maybe at the video, or maybe if you have a favorite toy or an item, you can focus on that in front of you. Okay, so I'm going to do it with my eyes closed. So again, relax, shake it off, okay, or maybe soften. Okay, let everything be soft, okay, whether you're focusing on one point in front or closing your eyes. Okay. Now maybe we'll imagine that balloon again as we breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so you can set your own pace as you slowly inhale and exhale. So go ahead, keep breathing in and breathing out. Now as we stay in this space, stay in this shape, as you keep breathing in and out of the nose, okay, know that it is the breath that you can control. Know that if at any point, or if at any point during the day you feel busy, you feel too stressed, you feel there's so many things to think about, worry about, you can always find time or make time to sit down and then just breathe. Okay, same thing that we're doing now. Okay, you'll relax through the shoulders, you'll inhale and exhale. So inhale as deep as you can, or fill the balloon as big as you can. And then we'll let it all go. One more time, we'll breathe in and we'll breathe out. And then from here, we'll slowly blink our eyes open, taking your time. As you bring your awareness back, then we'll bring the hands together, we'll bow down. Namaste. So I hope you felt so much better after doing the breathing exercise. You can do it as often times as you need. Okay, and then let me know how that worked for you. You can drop a comment, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.